Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, I'm sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. I was so tired. I got back home. I just slept off. I didn't even take my bath. I'm so sorry. And today it's also late. I think it's like 2:09 or so. But I was like, nah lie, go walk. I didn't do it yesterday, but today I just have to do something. Okay, as I promised you guys on the channel, that on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays are for reviews. And Saturdays, um Tuesdays and Thursdays. I was absent on Thursday, so I'm so sorry. For cream making, soap making, bobo tigbo, now just get to make something. And on Sundays, the questions being pulled out all through the week, we get to answer them for you guys. So yes, right now my face is a bit red. um I don't use sunscreen lotion. I know some of you are like, why don't you use sunblock? I don't use sunblock. I don't like it. I don't use sunblock. And the reason why it's a bit red is all through the week, last week, I've been busy going to the market. Today I go market. Some people request what I don't even have. But I still like the fact that some people are requesting for what I don't have. So it's actually, it's enlarging my goods. Though I don't have a shop yet. But it's enlarging my goods, and now market women, we only get things that people request for. We don't overbuy things that we know, okay, yeah, I might buy things in the ebook, but I know there are some people who probably would not request for some things there, so I don't exceed my now my time or something like that. I don't know the grammar to use. So I'm going to talk about sunscreen lotion. Someone asked me that which sunscreen lotion is good between Skin Doctor. I don't have Skin Doctor now; it's finished. Between Skin Doctor and Disaar. This is Disaar. I'm sorry I'm using the front part of my camera. So you'll be able to see the name backwards. But I'm going to take a picture and I'll put it on the screen so you guys would actually see what I'm talking about. So this is the disaar sunblock. This one, it's actually SPF 90. It's really good, but it gives me breakouts. It's funny. People should actually learn to study their skin. Okay, I don't bother using all this now. Now wearing face cap, like hiding my skin like a vampire. I wish some of you saw me today. I was like hiding, hiding my face, hiding my body, so I don't get to be, by the sun and stuff like that. But it comes in two varieties. Look at the color, blue and pink. Some of you be like, which one is better? They are both the same thing. Now it's just business strategy. Something might be lucrative for someone who likes blue, and this one, someone might like this one. So they are both SPF 90 sunblock. Actually very good. Snail. But now, sensitive skin, we get issues, big issues. So it's not that SPF this side is not good, or because Skin Doctor is better. Most times, most of these products people buy are due to brand names. If you've built your brand name over time, you notice, oh, this one is the original, and you might be so surprised that even the new product in town are actually way better than the old one. So this, I would prefer going for this. Skin Doctor is also very good. Go for sunblock that are very high. The reason why I said I prefer this is look at its SPF 90. Okay, it contains a high dose of SPF, and it's not that I used it once and I noticed breakout and I stopped. But I'm sure if I had continued using it on my face, it would have kept giving me breakout, but at the same time it would have shielded me from the sun. So that's by the way. Now some people are saying they want face mask, they want gold face mask, they want this face mask. Do you know there's a face mask called face to face? And the reason why this is actually very good, most times if you go to the market, don't just go and buy, okay, I like the color, or this is what people buy, let me buy. No. Apart from reading the content of a product you buy, get reviews. What I tend to do each time I go to the market to get something is I tend to, people that get to sit down there, they also buy. I'm learning. People learn every day. I don't know everything. Someone said, Mickey, you are a teacher now. I don't know everything. Okay, someone definitely knows better than I do. Where my own knowledge stop, now there's some people who say they start. So all I'm saying is what I tend to do each time I go there, where we buy things at wholesale and stuff like that. We sit, we talk about particular products. Some people like, this thing good. Then you notice some people start giving reviews. I've used it, very nice. Someone too has used it, very nice. Okay, how was it on the skin? You get to listen to reviews. Don't go and look for, what most people do each time they come to the market. They look for things that are just new, that are coming out. This thing is a new product, though. It's good. Buy it. Don't waste your money, because in the long run, you just find out you're running at a loss. Don't do that. Okay, you check out reviews of a particular product before you buy them. Like this face to face is really good. Apart from the fact that it's actually a peel off mask, it has cucumber, and now cucumber is really good for women who are using, someone that like to bleach like me. Don't tell people I said so. I like to bleach. So someone that likes to bleach like me, I need something like this, because one, cucumber will help keep your skin calm, firm, and good. And again, your dark circles over here, it's going to do a very good job, because naturally we know cucumber is actually very good in getting rid of dark under eyes. Dark under eyes. So it's really, really good. It does a good job, and it also helps in anti-aging. Okay, so if you actually having this aging process and all that, cucumber does a good job, keeps your skin intact, cool, and firm. So I would prefer you go for face to face peel off. But at the same time, there's this gold face mask. I also like that. And clay face mask happen to be the best. Happens to be very, very good. But most times you tend to get that in when you go to a spa or something. Clay face mask is really, really good when you want to pamper your skin. Most times you need to pamper your skin. It's not by doing a laro like me. Okay, well, now, I keep saying it, that people that tend to bleach, you need to moisturize your skin. You will probably get to a stage, not that you will definitely get to a stage when you've started bleaching. You get to a stage that you probably like a particular skin tone that you are right now. So all you just have to do is to maintain it. That was why I introduced you guys to Thailand products. And I noticed some people are actually really giving good feedbacks. This thing, it doesn't darken me, it doesn't lighten me, I'm just there. And that is it. A cream that would maintain your skin. Okay, it's not that you keep using that or you abandon your whitening cream. No. But the usage of your whitening cream will be totally reduced compared to the way you use them. Okay, so even if you don't use it for 2 days, 3 days, you won't notice anything, because that maintenance cream is actually maintaining you. That's why I brought the issue of Thailand. Now someone called me today and said she was using yogurt snail. That's Abon yogurt snail. Honey, Abon naturally does not whiten your skin. You need to add other components for it to do its work. Okay, so that was why I added other components for the face. If you actually want to use Abon naturally like that, it will only maintain your skin. You won't go dark, you won't go light, you are just there. It's just like being stagnant. You're just there. It maintains your skin. It doesn't whiten your skin. But you need to add, when you add other components into it, it does a fine job. Okay, so now to moisturize your skin, goree is good, but I use Gluta-Fresh now, Thailand cream, to moisturize my skin. But most of my customers are requesting for this. I've started giving it to them, and there's one, I told you that before I make a review, I would have gotten like so many reviews from people before I say, okay, you guys can use this, because I won't like to give you guys something that doesn't make sense. So the lady said she's actually in her mid-40s. Okay, she's in her mid-40s. This is like the third one she's buying, and she said she likes her skin, that it's glowing. It's as if she takes cod liver oil and everything. And I never really noticed cod liver oil was there, because at first I never really knew about this cream. She introduced me to the cream. I was like, oh Mickey, when are you going to the market? Please help me get goree. I was like, which one is goree again? So I had to search around, and I found it where they sell Thailand products. I was like, okay, is this the goree? I sent her the picture. She was like, yeah, she affirmed it. And she said this is the third cup. She even showed me her skin and everything. She actually tends to interchange it. She uses a whitening cream, then this at night to moisturize her skin. And you really need to see how glowing her skin is. She doesn't use body oils, she doesn't use all that, she just uses only this. And then I'll take a picture and I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see. It's goree, 7 days, avocado and aloe vera. Yeah, it has this quad liver oil there and all that. So that's what this is the third one she's buying. It's really small. Let me open it so you guys can see it. I've not used it. It's pretty small, very small. Very, very small. I've not used it. And the other person that bought like 4 for me said she mixes it with her other creams and she uses it. Since the lady bought it, people have been buying and buying. And I was like, okay, fine. Since I've got good reviews, I should just, you know, list it out to my subscribers, okay? So you guys should also have tips of good creams coming out and how to moisturize your skin, cleanse your skin, look good and intact. You know, when you want to bleach with sense. So yeah, someone was not asking me, okay, so what do you use as your sunscreen? Since you probably do not like disaar, it gives you breakouts, you don't like Skin Doctor, what do you, this is what I use as my sunscreen lotion. I use it in shielding myself from the sun. Okay, so I just started and I like it. I'm mizing it because it's so small. I've been using it like for 4 days now and I've not had a breakout. I remember the first day I used disaar. When I go back home, I started seeing breakouts. But this one, I've not noticed any breakout for 4 days now. And it's really good. This is AHA 70% over white body serum. I'll take the picture and I'll put on the screen so you guys can see it. And the same thing goes for AHA 70% over white body lotion. So what I tend to do is, if I want to go out during the daytime, because I would definitely not put any body cream, like my lightning body cream. I won't use it during the daytime because I've gotten to a skin tone that I actually appreciate. I like it. So I would just stick to that one at night. And sometimes I don't even moisturize anymore. So this one, what I do is I pour the pump here, like this one. Look at it. Just a little here. Sorry, watery. I just splashed out, sorry. Okay, I pour this one here out of my hands here. And this one here again. You see, they're totally two different things. I mix them together and you see, transformed into like water and oil like that. So that's what I just use naturally. That was what I used yesterday. That was what I just used. So that's what I use in shielding my skin. So each time I'm going out in the morning, and it smells like pineapple because this is pineapple and this is pineapple. Smells very much like pineapple. And so each time I go out, that's what I just use. I just apply it on my body and I go out. Okay, so there's no need for the sunscreen lotion and all that, because one, apart from the fact that they are heavy on my skin, they tend to leave my face whitish. I don't know, is it just me or practically everybody? Because it leaves my face white, you know, very, very white. I have to start massaging it. Okay, I don't want it to be white. I look like a masquerade and all that. So, but it's 4 days, yeah. I've just been using it 4 days, and I had good reviews because there are so many people who tend to mix this in their creams. In case you guys don't know, I'm giving you tips now. People mix this in your whitening creams. Okay, you want whitening creams to shield you from. People mix this in their whitening creams, most especially this serum. People mix this serum, this AHA 70% over white body serum. They mix it in their cream, okay, to shield you from the sun instead of SPF. Most people use this as their SPF to shield you from the sun. And this as well, people also use this. And most times people just mix the two of them, like the way I'm doing now. People mix the two of them together, like they put in, but I don't want to do that. I want it to be effective, so I just add a little of this and a little of this together, and I just apply it on all of my body each time I go out during the daytime, but not at night. Okay, but it depends on, you probably want to use it at night, but I use it as my own shield, so it's being used definitely during the daytime. So I'm sorry I didn't make so much reviews for you guys, because I know you guys are like, okay, Mickey, what else? Yes, someone told me to make a review on Final Lotion. Well, I only got reviews from 3 people, okay, and they really stated that the lotion is good. Cost approximately 5,000 thereabout, and They said, but you need a combination of oils to go with it. Okay, you need some oils to help, because it's inside, it's a bit thick, so you need oils to help liquidate it. Apart from that, it's a very good lotion, but it won't whiten you like sharp whitening. It's stages. That was what the lady said. It takes stages for you to whiten. And someone who is not patient cannot use that cream. So if you're not patient, no. And it also has a sunburn. I think I have that on my YouTube, on my website. Sorry, mickeyskincare.com. It also has a sunburn. It's like it works for blackish sunburn, and it has been proven to be effective. It's really effective. Sunburn that are blackish, not those darkish sunburn. The final lotion. I'm going to put on the screen. The same thing with the lotion. I'm going to put on the screen so you guys would know about it. And it works for darkish, not the reddish one, but darkish sunburn. And they said it's a pretty good lotion. They've not had any problems with it. It's really good for now. You know, Nigerian market is for now, because now if we can even see, start changing our baby and the rest. So if you've been following my channel or watching my channel from the beginning till this time and you're still not subscribed, honey, please subscribe, like, share my videos, and I love you guys like kilo day. Bye guys.